Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So see in the questions, see in the board, the question is if x is this much, this is up to infinity 1 plus root 2 under root 1 plus root 2 under root 1 plus root 2 up to infinity, right? Then find the value of x. We have to find our value of x. So in that case, how to solve it, I'm going to show you. It's going to be very interesting questions. So first, this is the value of the x. So if we take x square, then this square root will be removed. Yes or no? If we put square root, then what we'll get? 1 plus 2 under root 1. Sorry, this is 1 plus 2 under root 1 plus 2, so right, this implies x square 1 plus 2. Now check this one, this expression is nothing but x, 1 plus root 2, this is nothing but the x, so we can put the value of x, this is nothing but the x. All right, this expression is x, so x. Now x square, if we take this one this side, minus 2x equal 1, right? Now what we need to do, x square minus 2x plus 1. If we add 1 this side, obviously I have to add 1 this side since they are equal, right? Now what is this? A square minus twice ab plus b square, that is x minus 1 whole square, and this is 1 plus 1, that will give you 2. Now if you remove square sign, x minus 1, that is plus minus square root of 2. Now take 1 this sides, it will be, now it is minus here, if we change the side it will be plus, so 1 plus minus root 2. If we put the value of square root of 2, then you will get the appropriate answer. It's very simple. Question is very complicated, but the answer is very simple. I hope it's clear. Thank you very much.